I like how she said no cut.
Aw. Who said that, Sandra?
No question. Stupid question.
I said, who said it?
Oh, that lady at the car wash.
Yeah, she's very nice. Even though she fully saw us.
Rewash.
Okay, basically what happened was we failed at car washes. So this is going to be our second attempt. Oh, God.
Let's get in there.
Go. Get in
What about
there.
to neutral now?
No, you have to go up there and then go on neutral. Okay, I don't know. Oh, shit. Okay, see, you can see that your tires are on the thing, right?
They're on the track. At this thing.
Okay. Please put your vehicle in neutral. One moment, please. Okay. Okay, move.
So, I stay here. And you know what? If this doesn't move,
I have the proof.
you have this freaking proof and we're going to be sitting here for hours.
Anytime now.
Yeah, you see? Nothing happens.
We drove through.
Like, come on.
I hope you guys can see. That's
That we're not moving.
right there. The
Oh,
white.
no, we're
It's like a roller coaster.
a very slow one. Okay.
Hopefully all that soap is gonna be gone by the end of this. We
Yeah.
can finally go to
That's
Bramley.
so-
Holy crap.
Yeah, for an hour. You're right.
I told you.
Okay. There we go. It works now.
Woo, where are you, Sandra?
In the car.
Yay! Oh my god, look at that. I was gonna do this for my first car wash, but
Everything's like soapy.
ew, that was gross.
Purple.
I like purple. And here, no, it's just a bunch of rides.
Oh my god, it's really slow.
No wonder we drove through.
No.
Oh my god. How dark
We're
is
doing
it?
a little too fast.
A
First
bit.
fast.
Look, the soap's still on the windshield thing.
Oh, walk up.
Hopefully. Why is that thing in the middle?
I don't know.
It's gonna cut through.
Because it's water. It's hot yet.
I know. Ah. Air conditioner. Good thing. It's like you're inside and it's raining.
Yeah.
And there's like little scary things floating around. Oh,
Reminds me of that movie on Final Destination.
which one? Oh, the fourth one?
Yes.
I haven't seen. No.
Oh, no.
You saw it with John.
Oh, yeah.
Johnny Boy.
She was stuck in the car wash tunnel and the sun was just open, like it wouldn't close.
Oh.
And then like the whole car filled up with water and her head was sticking out.
Ew, that's gross. Oh my god, we're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. And then that thing over there is gonna suck up the water. No.
Seriously? It actually worked?
No, if it's the air thing.
So we went like
So it's
a
gonna
lot.
blow dry it.
We went like really, really, really fast.
Yeah, this one's like 3 minutes. Maybe just less. That one we went through was 1.
I like my emergency brake on.
You're not an idiot, don't worry.
Yeah, I am an idiot. My emergency brake went down.
Not on anymore.
Look at my windshield wipers, they're like going up.
Epic. Oh, that was definitely good. Hello. And then there was light. What the hell was that?
My antenna. Oh gosh. So, you're sucking that out when we get to.
Well, how could you put it down? I don't understand. Okay. Wait, and go. Keep going. Go, yeah. Okay, we're good. No.